In this video, we'll discuss about a preview of your form submission. So how it works, let me show you. So let's say if I add my name here and my email and my position here. Now, if I click this preview button, so as you can see, it's now showing a preview of the data I have added on the font. So that's how the font submission feature works. Let me show you how to set this up. So first of all, you need to go to plugins and make sure all these three plugins are enabled. So basically Contact Form 7, Ultimate Addons for Contact Form 7 and its Pro version. Now you need to go to all add-ons and look for preview, and you need to enable this add-on. So as you can see, it's already enabled. Now let's go and add a new form. We can keep everything as it is. Now scroll down. Here you can see a form submission add-on. We enable this and click save. Now we copy this code and publish it on the page. Now let's view the page. So as you can see, we now have a preview button here. Now let me try my name again and add my email. Now if I click preview, so here you go. The preview is now showing. So that's how the form submission add-on works. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.